friends, welcome to Ap4Menu. Today we are going to see a different yet simple dessert recipe, Aval Payasam or Flattened Rice Payasam. Let's get started and check out the recipe. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add 10 to 12 cashew and roast it till they are nice golden. When the cashew slightly changes in color, add 10 to 12 raisins and roast it till the raisins bubble up. Transfer the roasted dry fruits to a bowl. To the same pan, add 1 cup of flattened rice or aval and roast them until they slightly changes in color and turns slight crisp. Once the flattened rice changes in color, transfer it to a bowl. To a pan, add 3 cups of milk and allow it to boil. In a mixer jar, add 8 to 10 Cashewnuts and 1/4 cup of water and grind it to a smooth paste. Once the milk comes to a boil, allow it to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes so that the milk becomes nice thick. Add in the ground cashew paste and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. This cashew paste gives a nice creamy consistency to your payasam. Now add the roasted flattened rice and give it a nice mix. Let the flattened rice cook along with the milk for about 5 to 7 minutes. In a pan, add 1 cup jaggery, half cup water and give it a nice mix. Let the jaggery melt in the water and come to a boil. Once the jaggery syrup comes to a boil, turn off the flame and your jaggery syrup is ready. Strain the jaggery syrup using a filter to remove the impurities. Once the flattened rice is cooked well along with the milk, add in the prepared jaggery syrup and give it a nice mix. Let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. The jaggery syrup should be prepared well before and cool down completely when adding to the milk. Otherwise, the milk might curdle. See, the flattened rice is cooked well and the payasam is nice creamy. At this stage, add in the roasted dry fruits and give it a nice mix. Your creamy and tasty flattened rice payasam or aval payasam is ready to be served. Do try this simple and yummy recipe and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thank you.